Hello, Achiever, and welcome to day 2 of the 10-day calm meditation. And this meditation will only be a couple minutes. And today we will focus on observation, observing what is going on inside of you. Let's get started. Before we get started, there are 3 things that I would gently request of you. And number 1, that is to get into a space of comfort, a place where you feel safe. Number 2, that is to get into a position of comfort, whatever that looks like to you, whether you're sitting down or lying down. And if you are sitting on the ground, just put some cushion underneath you. And number 3, that is to close your eyes or gently do a gaze down to your nose. And that is because in the beginning of this meditation, we will be tapping into our imagination. And our imagination becomes limitless when our eyes are closed. When they are open, you only can imagine what you see in front of you. Let's get started. Close your eyes or do a soft gaze towards your nose. And I want you to imagine that you have just entered an empty room. And as you look around at this room, all you see is empty walls. There's no judgment in this room. There's no expectations in this room. There's no right or wrong or good or bad in this room. The only thing you have is emptiness and calm. Anything that may have happened preceding entering this room, I would ask of you to leave it at the door. And now I want you to bring all your attention to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And observe the air. Is it thick? Is it thin? Do you feel the air going in, or do you sense the air going in? Does the temperature change as it goes in and come out? Just observe without any judgment. And if you are breathing fast, breathe fast. If you're breathing slow, breathe slow. And if you are controlling your breath because you are mindful of your breaths, that's okay. Control your breath. Just be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And on each exhale, I would like you to count from 1 to 5. So when you breathe in and you breathe out, that is 1 breath. So observe the air as it goes in and out, and as it goes out, that is a count. And when you get to 5, count back down to 1. And if any thoughts arise, if you're doing this right or wrong, just be aware of it. Observe how it makes you feel for a couple seconds. And then bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And now I want you to bring your attention to your shoulders. Make sure to bring your shoulders down and relax your shoulders. And be aware of the movement of your shoulders as the air goes in and out of your body. And just observe it. Are your shoulders going up and down as the air goes in and out? Are they staying still? Just observe. And keep your shoulders relaxed. Do not try to control the movement of your shoulders. Let go. Relax. if any thoughts arise of the past or the future, just leave those at the door and bring all your attention to your shoulders. And be aware of the movement in your shoulders as the air goes in and out of your body. And as we bring this meditation to an end, I want you to take 3 deep breaths. And on the inhale, I want you to breathe in calm. And on the exhale, I want you to let go. So take a deep breath in. Fill your chest with calm. Bring your shoulders up. And on the exhale, let go. Let go of your shoulders, let go of your chest, let go of any worry, any anxiety, or any tension. 2 more times. Breathe in calm. Fill your chest with calm. Bring your shoulders up. And then exhale. Let go. Let go of any worry, any uncomfortable feeling. Let it go. Last time. Inhale calm. Fill your chest and your stomach with calm. And exhale. Let go of any worry or any tension. And when you are ready and you feel safe, you may open your eyes. And just remember that this is an empty room. There's no expectation. There's no judgment. There's no comparison. The experience you had throughout this meditation was the best experience for you. Bye for now.